So for the perpendicular, if you want to do for perpendicular, this is B, right? Oh, this is A. A is okay, so there's another point which is B lah. So this case here, draw plane, same thing, draw plane B. This is 7, 4, minus 5. Okay. This is plane P. R dot 1 minus 3, 2 equals to minus 5. Okay, great. Okay. So how do we find the full perpendicular? What you need to do is actually draw the line here. Come down. Okay, let N or F be the full perpendicular. So I'm going to let N. So this case here. Let N be the let N be the foot of perpendicular of B to P1. Okay. So perpendicular of point B to foot perpendicular of point B to P1. So this is it. Remember, essentially you have a point on this line here, and you have a direction of the line very conveniently. Actually, full perpendicular is very simple. The first step is you just need to form the line equation. The line equation is just a point passes through the line have a direction of n1 and then it passes through B. So very quickly you can just write down, hence LBN is R equals to 7, 4 minus 5 plus, let's say, alpha or beta n1, 1 minus 3, 2. So similarly, you can refer to the summary notes under full of perpendicular. But I'm not going to do that because it's actually just solving it geometrically. Like, you know, like how you do with coordinate geometry in secondary school, right? It's the same concept. You in vectors, right? You're dealing it now, but it's just in three-dimensional form. So you just have to practice doing it. Okay. So you first off draw the plane out, then you realize the normal vector is here, then you position your B above, then you can form the line equation. Why you form the line equation? So that to solve for A, for N, what you need is just LBN equals to P1. Or rather you sub LBN into P1. Okay, that's it. You just move this aside. LBN will be, you sub this in into this one. So left hand side, you sub it in to be same thing. The concept is you want to find what is the alpha here. So this will be okay. Then you just do as per normal. That will be this will be alpha equals to 10. So hence Okay.